This is a 21 millimeter socket. Fits on that one. Doesn't fit on any of the other ones. The other thing is, that one's loose. The chrome on that one's loose. These guys don't turn. This is the way they're supposed to be. This is not supposed to be mauled up to the point where it... Okay, the 22 fits on 3 of them, except for that one. This is a 23. 23 is too big for all of them, so it's slightly abused. Jesus. No, definitely need a new one of those. I found the nuts I needed at AutoZone. You can't buy them in packages of 5. You have to buy them in packages of 4. But I found my nuts.